We are given the parametric equation x equals t squared, y equals radical t plus 5, and t is in between 0 and 4, 0, 4 are included. There are a few options to work on this parametric graph, the graph of the parametric equations. The first option is to eliminate parameter t. Change the parametric equation into the rectangular equation and draw the graph. X equals t squared. Both sides choose the square root. Left-hand side, you choose the square root, that's x to the 1/2. Right-hand side, you choose the square root, and then it's going just to be t. Now, you have a t equals x to the 1/2. You may replace this t with x to the 1/2. We know y equals radical t is here should be t to the 1/2. That's radical t plus 5. You replace this t with x to the 1/2. You shall have a x to the 1/2 to the 1/2, then plus 5. 1/2 times 1/2 on the exponent, you should have a x to the 1/4 and then plus 5. And then you get rectangular equation y equals, and then the expression just containing variable x. So you may do here is x then to the 1/4. You may graph it. Here is only part of the picture. You see when t equals 4, and you have a 4 squared, x is 16, and here is only up to where? X here can be 16, here only is up to 10. So you can do is adjust the window size. X can be from 0 to 16. Okay? And in this case, you can do it from 0 to 16. So you can see 1x is 0. 0 to the 1/4 is still 0 plus 5. So you have a y is 5. 0, 5. This point is actually 0, 5. Here the scale is from 0 to 10. Okay? That's one way to do it. Another way is you plug in t directly. You plug in t here, t squared is 0. So x should be 0. Another t you plug in here, 0. So radical 0 plus 5 is 5. So you should have two coordinates. X is 0, y is 5. So 0, 5. If you have a decimal here, you shall have a first point, you see, 0, 5 here. The second point, you plug in t is 1, here and here. 1 squared is 1, so x is 1. Then figure out y value. Radical 1 plus 5. So it's 1 plus 5, you have a 6. So you have a 1, 6. Its coordinate is 1, y will be 6. That will be this point. You see. When I click here, shows up, and then disappear, you see. Then you can do t equals to t squared is 4. And then radical t plus 5, radical 2 plus 5, radical 2 is 1.414 plus 5, so you have 6.4. And then here x is 4, so you have 4 and 6.4. That's this point. Third point. The fourth point you can do is plug in 4 here. Okay, so 4 squared is 16. And then here x will be 16. And you plug in here radical 4 plus 5. Radical 4 is 2, so you have 2 plus 5 is 7. So when x is 16, y is 7. Here we have is when x is 16, y is 7. So you then connect 4 points. Okay, you shall have the picture. That's for directly get all the points and then connect it. By decimal, you can also input the equation in this way. X is t squared, so the first coordinate is always t, you do t squared. And the y coordinate is radical t plus 5, so you input over there. You shall get the t graph easily. Here you need to restrict the t value from 0 to 4. That would be our third option. The fourth option is to use the TI-84 directly. Is you click on mode, move the cursor to parametric, and then hit enter. You then have a y equals. Click on that. Now it's different now. So the first one you can input t squared, not here. You will do second squared, not here. You input t, this one, squared. No. And then here you will do radical t, so you will do second radical input t, and then you do plus 5, okay? And then you hit enter. You may graph it. Well, when you do the graph, here you actually want to restrict the range for t. So you will do window, and then t is from 0 to 4. And then when you have here x maximum is 16, you might adjust that to 20. In this way, when you graph it, so you will see this picture won't go that long. It just goes from 0 to 16, okay? Because t is restricted from 0 to 4. 1 4 squared, you have x value is 16. That's why it goes up to this far. All right. Okay. They have 4 options here. You can choose any option to do it. I'll see you next time.